If you want to change the world, then start by making your bed. This was the famous words from a viral speech of Admiral William McRaven. Now, he gave a commencement speech at University of Texas at Austin, and it went viral. He gave it in 2014 and everyone was talking about it. And one of the things that he spoke about is how making your bed, fixing your bed in the morning can change your life. Now, he's a retired admiral, and if it has changed his life since the time it has went viral, a lot of people have practiced it, tried it, and they have found results. I have found results too, which is why I felt like I need to bring this to you guys so that you guys can get results too. So here in this video, I'll be telling you three ways that making your bed in the morning can change your life for good. So let's begin. Hello guys, welcome to Models of Excellence, where we tell you about tools, strategies, techniques and models to help you lead an excellent life. The first improvement that you will see is momentum. What do I mean by momentum? Now, if I ask you, why didn't you do something, any work or studying or whatever it is, you'll tell me one thing: Abhishek, I didn't feel like it. You all know, you all relate to it, right? That's one thing. You know that. There's also another thing that you know. That other thing is this: when you don't feel like doing something and you start doing it, you're more likely to continue. Maybe you wanted to go work out, you didn't feel like it, but you went, you said, you know what, let me just give it a shot, let me just go. And after you went, you finished the whole gym session. Right? You feel that, right? You know that, right? Why is that happening? That is because of something called as momentum. Once you start, it's easier to keep going. That's all. But most people don't start. And making your bed will actually start. When you make your bed in the morning, you already feel like you have things under control. You took action in the morning. You don't feel like you are you are a victim to circumstances. You don't feel like, you know what, life is playing around with me. You took action. You will feel like you are in control, which means that will motivate you to do more things. You might want to go work out. You might feel like you want to go work out and you will actually go and work out. And that will motivate you to do more. And before you know it, you are in control majority of the time in your life. You feel like you're crushing it. You feel awesome about it. And that's the first way that will help you. It helps you build momentum, which will inspire you, which will motivate you to do more. Second benefit is clean room, clean mind. This has never been more accurate than now. A lot of us are working from home, which means your home environment is your work environment. Which means if your home environment is encouraging, if your home environment is good, you are more likely to do good work. Your quality of work will also increase. And in a way, a clean room will actually help you do it. Why? Why clean room? So, a messy room will actually lead to creativity or ideas. It's good. Messy room is kind of good because you have a lot of things that you can see that is in your vision, but the problem is your focus will decrease. You can't focus on one thing. There are a lot of things that are catching your eye. Second, with creativity also comes messy mind. Creativity is messy, but you don't always need to have messy mind. If you have to focus and do something, especially if it's boring, messy mind will only distract you. And when you clean the room, you don't have to if you want to feel creative, you can make a mess of another room, go sit in that. But in your bedroom, when your room is clean, when your bed is clean, if you're working from your bedroom, you feel good. It's not only for bed. If you clean around in your room, you actually feel a lot more positive. If there's less stuff, if it looks clean, your mind is less likely to be messy. You are less likely to jump from one idea to another. You also are less likely to have random thoughts clouding your mind, which means you have a lot more clarity. You will be able to focus on your work a lot better, and your stress will also decrease because you're not putting a lot of effort into focusing on that work. Third benefit is ending your day on a positive note. I think you would have heard this quote, don't go to bed fighting. This is one of the relationship advice someone gave. There was this old married couple. I think they lasted for a very long time, 30 or 40 years or so. And they asked, what was the secret to your successful marriage? And they said, we never went to sleep angry. That's how powerful it is. If you ask psychologists, they'll tell you the importance of how you feel first thing in the morning and how you feel last thing at night. And if you feel positive last thing at night, your sleep becomes a lot better. Your thoughts in your sleep also can be influenced to an extent, and you'll wake up in the morning in a lot better mood as well. The likeliness is there. It's not always, but a lot of times it happens. Now, let's say you had a stressed day. You come back home. You had just made that bed. Let's say nothing worked out on that day. Nothing worked out. It didn't work in your favor. You're very sad or anxious or depressed. You come back in and you see that neat bed. You'll feel like there's at least that under my control. And because it's clean, you're more likely to feel good going to sleep. It will inspire you to wake up in the morning tomorrow and try again. And that is the third way this will benefit you. With that said, guys, have you ever made your bed? If you have made your bed, if you do it regularly, let me know if you feel that you have these benefits as well. Or if you have some extra benefits, mention that as well. Let's help other people out as well. With that said, guys, if you felt like you learned something of value, something that could benefit you, then leave a like and hit that subscribe button. With that said, this is Abhishek signing off. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.